Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 2.7, which is the last exercise of this chapter. This is based on division of decimal numbers. This is based on division of decimal numbers. First question is find 0.4 is divided by 2. First I will remove decimal. I will make it 4 by 10. 0.4 को 4 by 10 divided by 2 by 1 इज इक्वल टू 4/10. डिवाइड करने का फॉर्मूला सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई एंड रेसिप्रोकल, विच आई टोल्ड यू इन डेसिमल चैप्टर ऑल्सो. जैसा कि डेसिमल चैप्टर फ्रैक्शन विच आई टोल्ड यू इन फ्रैक्शन में भी हमने मल्टीप्लाई और रेसिप्रोकल किया था. वी विल यूज़ द सेम फार्मूला इन दिस डेसिमल ऑल्सो. 4/10 मल्टीप्लाई एंड रेसिप्रोकल. आई विल कट. 2/10 is left. 2/10 means 0.2. Second part is 0.35 is divided by 5. I will make this number into fractional form 35 upon 100 because there are two digits after decimal, so though there will be two zeros. 100 divided by 5/10. I will convert this number into multiply and reciprocal like this. 35 by 100 multiply by 1 by 5. I will cut 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 7 by 100 is left. I will convert this number into decimal form 0.07 because this question is in decimals, so answer should be in decimals. Third part is 2.48 is divided by 4. I will convert this number into fractional form. डेसिमल के बाद दो डिजिट हैं तो आंसर में भी नीचे भी यहाँ दो जीरोज आ जाएंगी. 248 एज इट इज़, ऊपर वाला नंबर एज इट इज़, डिवाइडेड बाय 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 4/1. 4/1 टू सॉल्व दिस डिवाइड साइन मल्टीप्लाई एंड रेसिप्रोकल. 248 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4. 4 1 4, 62 by 100 means 0.62. Fourth part is 65.4 is divided by 6. Again I will convert this number into fractional form. एक डिजिट के डेसिमल के बाद एक डिजिट है तो I will write here 10. 654 divided by 10 divided by 6/1. इस डिवाइड को सॉल्व करने के लिए we will use multiply and reciprocal method. I will cut this number by 6. 109 upon 10. 109 upon 10 means आई विल कन्वर्ट इंटू डेसिमल्स. एक ज़ीरो है तो एक डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आ जाएगा लास्ट से. 10.1 वी विल प्लेस डेसिमल बिफोर वन डिजिट फ्रॉम लास्ट. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज 651.2 is divided by 4. I will convert this number into fractional form. That will be 6512 upon 10 and then divided by 4/1. Then I will convert this divide sign into multiply and reciprocal like this. I will convert this number 1628 by 10. I will convert this number into decimals. यहाँ 0 एक है तो एक डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आ जाएगा. आंसर विल बी 162.8. Sixth part is 14.49 is divided by 7. I will convert this number into fractional form. First 1449 upon 100 divide by 7/1. To convert this divide sign, to solve this divide sign, we will use multiply and reciprocal method again. 1449 upon 100 multiply by 7. I will cut 7 ones are 7 की टेबल में कट कर देंगे. 207 upon 100. I will convert this number into decimal form. There are two zeros, so I will put decimal before two digits from last. 2.07 answer. Seventh part is 3.96 is divided by 4. I will convert 3.96 into fractional form. That will be 396 upon 100 divided by 4/1. I will convert this divide sign into multiply and reciprocal like this. 1/4. I will cut 4 ones are 99 upon 100 will be left. 99 upon 100. I will convert this number into fractional form. How? एक बार मैं रिमाइंड कर देती हूँ. यहाँ दो ज़ीरो है, इट मीन्स डेसिमल भी दो डिजिट से पहले आएगा यहाँ पर बिफोर 99. आंसर इज 0.99. 0.80 is divided by 5. I will convert this 0.80 into fractional form. It will become 80 by 100 divided by 5/1. I will convert this divide sign into multiply and reciprocal like this. I will convert this number, cut this number by 5. 16 by 100. 16 by 100 it means 0.16 answer. That is first question which I have done. Let's move to second question. This is also based on division of two decimal numbers. 4.8 is divided by 10. Again students, पहले हम 4.8 को फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, which is 48 by 10 divided by 10/1. I will convert this division sign into multiply and reciprocal. This will become 48 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 10. There is I will not cut anything in this question. 48 by 100 लिखूंगी because it is easy to convert with the help of zeros into decimals. जीरो की हेल्प से हम इसे इजीली डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. दो जीरो है तो दो डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आ जाएगा. आंसर विल बी 0.48. 552.5 is divided by 10. I will convert this number into fractional form. 25 upon 10 is divided by 10 by 1. I will convert this 10 by 1 because of this division sign, multiply and reciprocal. 525 is divided by 10, multiply by 1 by 10. I will multiply these two tens, then it will become 525 upon 100. यहाँ पे दो जीरो हैं तो दो डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आएगा. इट मीन्स आंसर विल बी 5.25. थर्ड पार्ट इज 0.7 is divided by 10. First I will convert 10 by 7 by 10 divided by 10 by 1. Then I will convert this division sign into multiply and reciprocal. There are two tens. It will become 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means there are two zeros. So I will convert this 7. I will put decimal before two digit. So answer will be 0.07. Fourth part is 33.1 is divided by 10. I will convert into fractional form. 331 upon 10 divided by 10. Again I will convert this sign into multiply and reciprocal. There are two tens, so it will become 100 or 331 by 100. I will put decimal before two digit because there are two zeros. The answer will be 3.31. Fifth part is 272.23 is divided by 10. Again I will convert into decimal fractional form and 10 by 1 as it is. Then multiply and reciprocal. There it will become 1000. 1000 की वजह से यहाँ पे तीन डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आ जाएगा. आंसर बन जाएगा 27.223. These two parts are homework. You have to do these two questions yourselves. Third part is again find. This is again based on division. 2.7 is divided by 100 बच्चों. 20 I will convert this number into fractional form. 27 by 10 multiply by 100 by 1. 27 by 10 multiply by there should be division sign. 27 by 10 multiply by 1 by 100. So I will these two will be multiplied. 27 by 1000. आंसर यहाँ पे तीन जीरो है तो आंसर में भी तीन डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल आएगा. So I will put 0 from my side here. Second part is 0.3 is divided by 100. 3 by 10 divided by 100 by 10. 100 by 1 sorry. 3 by 10 multiply by 1 by 100. 10 और 100 को multiply किया it will become 1000. 1000 है तीन जीरो हैं तो I will put decimal before three digit from the last. Answer will be 0.003. Third part is 0.78 is divided by 100. 78 by 100 is divided by 100 by 1. So I will use multiply and reciprocal. 78 by 4 zeros. 4 zeros means answer should be decimal should be before 4 digits. Answer is 0.0078. Fourth part is 432.6 is divided by 100. I will remove decimal from here. There is यहाँ decimal से पहले एक digit है, decimal के बाद एक digit है. It means यहाँ 10 आएगा. 4326 is divided by 10 divided by 100 by 1. इस divide sum को solve करने के लिए multiply and reciprocal करेंगे. 100 by 1 का multiply reciprocal 1 by 100 हो जाएगा. 4326 is divided by 10 multiply by 100 it will become 1000. तो डिवाइड करेंगे 1000 से. आंसर विल बी 4.326 before 3 digit decimal will come. Now these two parts are homework. Fifth and sixth part you have to do these parts yourself. Students, I have done today first, second and third question of exercise 2.7. Only 4, 5, 6 are left. We will do these three sums tomorrow. Goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you.